How to change setting on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change setting on PUBG. Changing setting on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG Mobile app on your mobile device. Go to Settings. Tap on the gear icon located at the bottom right corner of the main screen. Explore different settings. The setting menu has various tabs for adjusting specific features. Basic, adjust general settings such as aim assist, quick scope switch and peek and fire. Graphics, change the graphic quality, frame rate and style to balance performance and visuals. Sensitivity, customize the sensitivity for camera, ADS and gyroscope movements. Controls, configure controls layout for easier gameplay. Audio, adjust sound setting for music, effect and microphone. Pickup, change auto pickup setting for items like ammo and health kits. Adjust settings, make the changes you prefer for each option by tapping the slider or checkboxes. Apply changes, PUBG Mobile saves setting automatically as you make adjustments, so there's no need to save manually. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.